Space.
Tell me some things about space. Or what do you think you can find in space?
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel.
For today's video, we have a fun space activity to show you.
If you haven't seen any of our videos, make sure to click the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we made Astronaut box for examining space materials. Using a recycled cardboard box, cut out holes for your child's hands. Optional, you can even hot glue rubber gloves so you do not contaminate your space materials. For this part, you can always use materials you can find at home, but today we place some sand, rocks, foils, cut up egg cartons, seashells, and then covering our box with plastic wrap.
All right. Do you know what's next week, Charlie?
Yes.
What's next week?
Box. What? Space.
Space. All right, CJ and Flynn, do you know what is next week?
I don't know. Saturday.
No, next week is Space Week. Who likes space?
Me.
Me? Well, what I want you to do is I want you to put your hands in there, and I want you to feel what's in there.
Sand. Sand.
You haven't put your hands in there, CJ. And what else can you feel? What do you think that those could be? Could they be like asteroids or things you could find in the moon?
This.
The children enjoyed and interacted with their observations, questions, and imagined they were up in the moon.
The eye.
Ice.
Ice. Ice. Ice.
Would it have sand?
Sand in here. Again. Bye bye. Bye bye.